If your dessert dreams involve peanut butter and crunch, you're about to be in heaven. Let's make your own McDonald's peanut butter crunch McFlurry. Start with 3 cups of vanilla ice cream. Let it hang out on the counter to soften up a bit. Next, grab 8 Nutter Butter cookies and crush them good. Now, add 1 cups of Peanut Butter Chex to the mix. Don't forget 1 cup of crushed peanut brittle for that extra crunch. And finally, toss in 1/2 cup of miniature semi-sweet chocolate chips. Once you've got everything ready, transfer the ice cream to a stand mixer. Throw in all those yummy goodies and mix on low speed until they're just combined. And there you have it, your very own McDonald's Peanut Butter Crunch McFlurry ready to devour. Enjoy this sweet treat without even leaving your kitchen. Happy snacking, friends.